You can't come and say, why do the country of so-and-so smoke or have nightclubs? They're Muslims. Why do their women don't cover? Who cares? They're not messengers of Allah.
Question. I'm an expat. I'm an Indian, and I work here in Saudi Arabia. And Alhamdulillah, I've been keeping the beard, which is kind of, my wife likes me to have a very big beard, long beard, and always tries grow it as long as possible, and Alhamdulillah. But I work in a corporate, and I go visit a lot of customers. No one says anything, but can I trim? And if keeping a long beard is it mandatory? If so, why people here in Saudi Arabia, they all trim and they don't have all long beards?
Okay, first of all, as Muslims, we do not take a country or a people as a role model because they are fallible. They make mistakes. You can't come and say, why do the country of so-and-so smoke or have nightclubs? They're Muslims. Why do their women don't cover? Who cares? They're not messengers of Allah. And this is why Allah has sent us the Qur'an and the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ and the favored 3 generations so that we can judge things by and implement in our lives. Now, when it comes to the issue of the beard, there are 2 respected opinions. One is that we must leave the beard as it is, not trim it, not shave it, not do anything but honor it by brushing it, combing it, perfuming it, maybe sometimes put some creams on it, no problem in that. And the other opinion is that it's permissible to take whatever exceeds a fist. This is a fist. So you take from the bottom of your fist, not from the top as most of the people do. No, you take whatever exceeds the bottom of your fist. And this was reported by Abdullah ibn Umar, Abu Hurairah, and others. But the vast majority of companions did not touch it or trim it. The vast majority of scholars say that it has to be kept according to the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, where he instructed us not to grow it. Some people put medication that would enhance their beard growth. And this is not required. Allah did not say to you, grow it. Allah said to you, leave it. Honor it. Let it go. أطلقوا, أسبلوا, أرخوا, أعفوا. All of these just to let your beard go. So this is the most authentic opinion. Now, in some cases where a person's beard is really long and it jeopardizes his safety, such as an employee in a factory where there are machines and conveyor belts, and it might be caught in one of the machines, or a person who's driving and his beard comes and covers his face. Or sometimes, as I've seen this with some brothers, when he eats, it's too long that it comes within the food and he eats his own hair. It might be funny, but it's irritating. In this case, I personally am inclined to say that yes, due to the hardship, you can trim your beard to a length that would make it possible for you to live normally, and Allah knows